For this new money-making method, you don't need anything because everything is pretty basic. With this method, you can easily make $20 every minute from the comfort of your house. I want you to go to Bing.com first. With the help of Bing, you can use a variety of search phrases to find information online. Entering articles into the search bar should be your next action. Microsoft Bing then automatically finds numerous articles based on your search terms. View the article as search results below, then click through to some of the articles you may find on Bing. By scrolling down, you can read the entire article that we discovered on Bing. The next step is to show you another website, SEOclerks.com. Writing and uploading articles on this website can earn you money. You won't need to produce any articles yourself because I'll show you how to quickly copy and paste content from other people's Bing articles at the end of this video. This website will pay you without you having to do anything. You don't even need to be able to write or speak English fluently, let alone have any specialized skills. This technique, one of the best, has never been discussed. However, let me first give you a brief introduction to Conquerio, another website where you may earn money from free Bing posts. More options to make money online using Bing articles can be discovered here when you search for content creation. One thing about Conquer that I want you to be aware of is that they pay somewhat less than SEO Clerks. You may still register on SEOclerks.com and Conquerio to copy and paste Bing articles and get money from these two websites. In step 3, I'll begin showing you how to copy and paste Bing content to begin making money. When you go back to the Bing homepage and click on the 3 small dots, a menu will emerge where you may choose News to access a range of news stories and articles. Commonly, the newest and most talked about topics include politics, health, or news and entertainment. You can copy and paste several ideas for articles and subjects under the news area. You can get dozens of different articles for free from this website. Nevertheless, you cannot simply copy and paste such articles to sell on Conquerio and SEOclerks.com, since nobody will purchase them. In light of this, I want to share a specific technique with you and free tools you may use to create new, original articles from these. Go to prepostSEO.com. Simply scroll down till you see Article Rewriter from there. There, you can copy and paste the text into the appropriate box to have the entire article automatically rewritten and given a distinctive voice. You can see that they entirely revised the material to make it new, fresh, and distinctive in less than 5 seconds by scrolling down below. For a free account on SEOclerks.com, click the Join button at the top. You only need to enter your login, email address, and password, then press the Continue button. The second website, Conquer, has a very similar sign-up process. All you have to do to start making money there is click the Join button at the top. This is a truly brilliant method for beginners to copy and paste articles and earn money. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button.